Hi Sudeep Garu, how are you?
అండి మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. చాలా బాగుంది. నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడితే మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం.
ట్రై చేద్దాం. ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. I can understand Telugu extremely well,
ఓకే.
but somehow very skeptical when it comes to speaking because of my grammar in diction. And
నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు కొంచెం కొంచెం తెలుగు మాట్లాడినా కూడా మాకు హ్యాపీనే. మేము కంఫర్టబుల్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతాము.
హ్యాపీగా ట్రై చేస్తానండి.
అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ కరోనా పాండమిక్ లో ఒక భారీ షెడ్యూల్ జరిపి ఫ్యాంటమ్ అనే మూవీని అతి త్వరలో మా ముందుకి తీసుకురాబోతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యు ఆర్ ఎ రియల్ హీరో. ఎందుకంటే ఇంత పాండమిక్ లో అసలు అంత భారీ అంటే ప్యాచ్ వర్క్ కాదు, అది భారీ షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకొని అండ్ పాన్ ఇండియా మూవీని అదంతా షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకొని దాన్ని మా ముందుకి తీసుకురాబోతున్నందుకు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీ గట్స్ కి మా అంటే కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అండ్ వెరీ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ కూడా మీకు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఎలా ఉండబోతోందండి ఫ్యాంటమ్? ఎలా ఉండబోతోంది? మేము ఫస్ట్ లుక్ చూసాము, చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది మీ లుక్. చాలా డెప్త్ కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది. అది డిజైన్ చేసిన అదంతా కూడా ఎలా ఉండబోతోంది?
అది ఒక స్టోరీ నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. ఒక చిన్న స్టోరీ మాది. అదేనా ఒక వన్స్ అపాన్ అ టైమ్ kind of a story, all right? So I have been doing a lot of films from past, it's almost going to be 25 years almost is going to be, come Jan 31st, I'll be completing 25 years in the industry now.
Oh.
So I've kind of told all kind of stories, but there are certain stories, chala, with little more closer to your heart, you want to narrate a story to the audiences. So this is one kind of story. Actually, the interesting ante oka film undi, Billaranga Bhasha. Our script discussion lo nenu Anup, we have been in it for almost 1.5 years. So discussions lo oka stage vastundi eppudu oka blank spot vastundi. Like, what, we don't know where to go ahead of, because story is ready, but on the script discussion it is not moving. So 2 days break we took, me and Anup. It's like we just sat and said, okay, we'll see some movies chuddam, where the topic we will discuss.
Okay.
We'll do something, get back. So that time I discussed a topic. I asked him, యదా ఒక స్టోరీ అయితే లైక్ ఒక విల్ డూ విత్ ఫ్రెష్ కమర్స్, న్యూ కమర్స్, ఒక స్మాల్ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ సినిమా, ఐ డోంట్ నో, సో help me out in my Telugu and I'm going wrong, please, sir. So we discussed that, we will do. So in this discussion he told me a story. A small, sir, oka undi sir, adi oka fresh la cheddamani. I heard night. I heard half the story in the night, and of course we were. He doesn't, but I was leisurely sitting with a drink of mine, and I was, and I liked it, and I said, "You do one thing, Anu. We will hear the second half tomorrow, the next day." So the next day when he came, he told me the remaining half of the film. So I heard this film. Keeping a production in mind with newcomers, not for me. Then as I was discussing, I asked him, I wanted an opinion as to why he thought that this is supposed to be a smaller film with the newcomers, and because it was his idea. Then I said, why can't we do it? Then he said, akada two characters undi. So, sir, Yedi sir, don't worry about it. Then he said, no, sir, because you have very big image. So I don't know whether, like, if this kind of role, if we are doing. And I said, see, any image has got nothing to do with storytelling. And any character is not small till you make it big. And how do we make it big is not by spoiling the story.
Mm.
Never do anything that spoils the story just to improve the character. We will improvise certain things which can satisfy the people who are looking forward to certain things. I said, Allah Jesi, okay, discussion, no, we started on journey. So then I said, no, this cannot, what we are going to do. Well, he actually had a plan to do the film somewhere in the a story in the 90s, something like that. I took it to the 60s. I said, no, let's go there. We will say a story when there was hardly anything. So that is how we are going to get a very Jumanji kind of a feel. So that is what we are doing. So we started working on, tweaking on researches as to how to do it. So that is how this happened. And this film was an accidental thing. Otherwise, we had something else in mind. But I guess by the end of the day, if you have a good content, see, మీరు ఏం చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్, ఒక టీజర్ చూసేసి అలా టీజర్ బాగుంది అని. కానీ టీజరే హైలైట్, ఆ సెట్స్ ఒక విజువల్స్ ఏముంది అక్కడ అదే హైలైట్స్
కాదు.
సూపర్ కంటెంట్ ఉంది. It's a very good content and a very emotional content also. Very emotional content by the end. So that is what I like. See, I like films where you take home something by the end of it. Something to take home. Okay, one feel like yedo oka emotion, yedo something should be there. No? So this one triggered that. So that is how this all started. And of course, we had already decided to put certain sets, and COVID couldn't stop us from moving on.
And first of all, మీ 25 years of career కి కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. దానికి సెలబ్రేషన్స్ ఏమన్నా ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారా?
లేదు మా ఇక ఒక 25 years ఒక ఆర్టిస్టో, డైరెక్టరో, ప్రొడ్యూసరో ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఒక 25 years ఇలా లేదంటే ఇನ್ನು ఎక్కువ అయితే, if it is completed, first celebration we should do is with ourselves. That we have survived. The fact that we have survived 25 years.
Okay. ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీలో 25 years సర్వైవ్ అవడమే గ్రేట్ అంటారా?
అవును. Okay, there is a lot of challenges here. See, the challenges are that, first of all, every storyteller becomes a bore one day. You need to keep coming up. You need to keep fighting. Then there are newcomers, newer thoughts, newer ideas, newer skin, younger skin, and you have to now you have to start competing with them. And you have to compete with their ideologies, ideas. Then there comes another generation, another ideas. Then you have to compete with them. And in between all this, you have your flops. You have your very bad faces. Suddenly it looks like your career is over. Suddenly it looks like nobody wants to see you. All such faces has happened to every actor and many actors and many directors and producers. So if at all we have survived so long, I think we should first of all celebrate ourselves, because time has definitely been kind. It's very nice when people want to come still to your theater and watch you. It's got nothing to do with stardom, because every stardom becomes a bore by the end. Nobody can be a star forever. So I think when the time we have chosen this profession because we love the profession.
Yes.
Right. It's like a very deep relationship we have with this profession. So as long as this relationship is still going on, it's a very happy moment for all of us. Any actor or director.
మీరు ఫస్ట్ సెలబ్రేట్ విత్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, దెన్ మాకు చెప్పండి, మేమందరం వస్తాం ఆ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ లో, విల్ బి ఎ పార్ట్.
I'm a very quiet person, ma'am. I just don't. I'm not a very, what do you say, like a very crowded party guy. I do my job alone. But very sweet of you to say that. Thank you. And of course, in this 25 years, I mean, January I will complete those stuff. But I guess I owe a lot to many industries across India, starting from Karnataka, Kannada industry that gave me everything. And from there on, I went to Hindi, then Telugu, then Tamil. Lot of places I have traveled, and I should tell you, it's a very blessed feeling. I should tell you that. So yeah, thank you.
ఓకే. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ద ఫ్యాంటమ్ మూవీ, కరోనా టైంలో అంటే జస్ట్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ పర్మిషన్ ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే షూటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేసారు. అసలు అంటే అప్పటికి మనకు అసలు ఆ కరోనా అనేది మనకి చాలా భయం, ఇంకా పోలేదు. అసలు ఏంటి, ఎలా వస్తుందో, ఆ స్ప్రెడ్ ఎలా జరుగుతుందో ఇంకా కన్ఫ్యూజన్. అసలు ప్రికాషన్స్ కూడా ఇప్పటికీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. మాస్క్ పెట్టుకొని అంటే ఎలాంటి మాస్క్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, చాలా మందికి అవేర్నెస్ లేదు. కానీ మీరు అసలు అంత భారీ షెడ్యూల్ ఎలా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నారు, ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకున్నారు, ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా ఉన్నారు, అవన్నీ ఫస్ట్ మాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి.
See, if I tell you like నాకు భయమే లేదు అని చెప్తే చాలా రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. We all were very scared.
అవును.
We all were very worried. But I believe in one thing. So what do I call you? Sorry.
క్రాంతి.
Kranti. Okay. See, meer name le undi Kranti. Okay. That's a very revolutionary word. So, Krantiji, it's I would like to fight against an enemy that I can see. You know, here is something that we can't see. I don't know. How do you wage a war or fight against something that you don't know? What I know is that వీడియో వస్తుంది, ఒక యూట్యూబ్లో ఒక ఏదో వస్తుంది, యారో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది కరెక్ట్ వీడియోవా, రాంగ్ వీడియోవా, ఫేక్ వీడియోవా, యారో సంబడి ఈస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్, సంబడి అది ఏదో సమ్ వీడియో దే టేకింగ్ అండ్ ట్యాగింగ్ అలాంగ్. See, the whole point of Corona was, it was a myth. Nobody knew the exact repercussions. You know? So yeah, so అప్పుడు ఒక భయంలో ఎవరిని చూస్తే వాడు కరోనా లాగా కనిపిస్తారు. You know, somebody is walking towards you, he looks like a corona. Somebody is trying, don't, that, you know, life became really, right? Life itself started becoming sick.
ఒక మనిషి చూస్తే భయపడే రోజు వస్తుందని మనం ఎవరూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు అసలు.
No, not only మనిషిని, ఒక ప్లాస్టిక్ వస్తే, ఒక కొరియర్ వస్తే, యారో ఒక పార్సల్ ఇస్తే, you know, everybody is like, oh, don't touch it, you know, that kind of a. So yeah, everybody was scared. But I think, you know, what comes forward is, here is a production house. They have taken a lot of initiative. He's my friend also, but taken a lot of initiative. Already erected huge sets. We didn't know this coming, so already erected huge sets in Annapurna and all that. Everything was getting spoiled. Whether Corona is going to go or not, I saw that my friend's life is going to go to dogs. That's definitely going to happen because sets are going to come down. He has to do everything again. You know, this will not, Corona won't stop him from spending again more money to do the sets. Nobody works here.
Yes.
At one particular point, I decided like, it's okay, you know, let's go. But just make sure whoever is coming, test them, give them the security that we are taking care. But whoever are coming, they have to be in the bubble. So we started the bubble then only. You know, they had to be in the same room, the same hotel. They're going to eat only our food. They're going to come here. Nobody's going to go out walking around in the city. Everything, every day temperature check, every day something you check, you know, all that stuff. So I guess after a couple of days, that's what I'm saying, man. Till, you know, when first the flight were found, I think everybody liked seeing it, but to get into a flight and go, everybody was scared because they didn't know how it will land and whatever. So I guess we just started it, and then we realized, yeah, we can handle it. We can handle it. There's nothing, you know, like it. See, Corona, in COVID times, it is not about being a hero, man. It is being cautious. It is being smart. You can't be stupid. You can't say, I am a hero. Nothing is going to happen to me. I am this. Nothing is going to. That's wrong approach to life. anything can happen to anybody.
Hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So I guess we were cautious. We were not stupid. So we took our precautions. But I think after a couple of days, we started getting a hold of what to do, what not to do.
Hmm.
Go into a set, we have to remove the mask. There's no way that we can wear the mask and perform. So every time we used to do something, constantly we used to tell ourselves, "Adi touch cheyavadu, face touch cheyavadu, eyes touch cheyavadu. First to sanitize us, then immediately wash your hands, and then go do what you want to do." There was an effort.
Hmm.
There was an effort because a lot of times we meet, we touch property. Sometimes we touch the fighter's costume, they touch us, we touch the floor.
Yes.
Just make sure nobody's touching our hands and faces, and rest whole team, Ellaru, they were all in masks and everything. We took care. I think we used to sanitize the place every now and then.
Hmm.
But I guess after some time, I don't know, the cold must have got fed up of us.
Hmm.
It left our set, I guess. I'm not sure. Nobody was taking care of it.
Oh.
Nobody was caring after a while. So we
ఓకే.
were
సో
okay.
ఇంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ అంటే జనరల్ గా షూటింగ్ చేసుకోవడం ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. ఈ పాండమిక్ తర్వాత ఇన్ని ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకొని అండ్ క్రూని కూడా అంటే జనరల్ గా మనం సేఫ్ గా ఉండి మనం చూసుకుంటే సరిపోదు కదా. క్రూని కూడా అంతే అంటే ఒక బేబీస్ లాగా వాళ్ళని కూడా కేర్ తీసుకొని ఈ మొత్తానికి షూటింగ్ అయితే ఫినిష్ చేశారు.
ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంది, వాడు humans. It's not that I'm coming from the sky and they come from somewhere else. It is not right. We have to see, the whole point is, if you, as I told, if you are inside a flight, you can't see whether you're in economy or business class. The whole point is the crew needs to make everybody feel secured, fine. It's not about luxury. It's secured. You feel secured there. The whole team is like that only. Everybody should feel that we are there. Something goes wrong, we are there. We will take care. Now this is the time for us to stay as one unit and go ahead. And we did. I think I'm very grateful and thankful to my entire team also for that. And thankfully నేను ఒక స్టెప్ తీసుకున్నాను కదా ఆ రోజు, that let's go. Thankfully my decision didn't harm anybody. Otherwise, I would have been like a guilty feeling low. I would have been surviving so far that, because of me, something happened. But luckily for me, I guess that was not a bad decision after all.
ఓకే. సో పాన్ ఇండియా మూవీని బిల్డ్ చేయడం ఈ పాండమిక్ తర్వాత అది ఎంత టఫ్ అనిపించింది? దానికి ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఉంది చెప్పండి.
No, nothing is hard work, man. It's just an idea. See, basically, if you want to tell a story, you just need a platform, you need a language. That's about it. Okay. And today we sit in India, we watch Korean films. No Korean films makes with an idea that we are going pan world, pan India, pan thing, pan that. It's only here we operate that way because of the multiple languages we have in our country.
Yes.
But today I don't think it's any more of that, man. Anybody can see anybody's movie. As long as you have a good story to say. See, one thing we should understand, pan-India films will not follow your idol worship. Okay, there may be a superstar in our state, but not everywhere else, right? So, keeping that in mind, if you have done a film, like a fan film and this, that won't work. What works across the globe is if you have a good story to say. If a story that somebody can trigger somebody, like today, if I ask you, I'm very sure you watch movies in where you don't understand the language, you will go through the subtitles. Watch Chinese films, that Malayalam film. Most of us don't understand. But we watch through the subtitles, and we do watch because I guess today that is what cinema is all about. You need to have content. You just can't keep going by that one idol worship and say that, yeah, the film will be sold. Yeah, that's also right. I'm not going to say that's also wrong, but that will be limited. That will be one limited area, one state, or maybe two states put together. That's about it. I guess so. Phantom was not a pan-India decision. It is reaching there.
Okay.
Itself is reaching there. With the way we made a story, I don't think we need to plan so much. We should just understand that. Chuddam first. Ela potundi adi. and we will see how we are capturing it, how we are conceiving it. ఒక ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ట్రిగర్ అవుతుందా అసలు? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పారు కదా, లైక్ చాలా బాగుందని. సో యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ అండ్ యూ సా our teaser and you liked it. So that means we are right. We are going in the right way. Not that we are 100% right as yet. We are there. We are almost there. So the whole thing is that, and so when we were in Annapurna shooting, very brilliant thing was one that is not even a teaser, but a short. I like that's all, and that went and reached places. And today it is releasing in almost many languages just across Europe and UK. All their languages it is releasing. It's almost going into Mandarin also. So it's going in other countries' languages also, which people have come forward to and are looking into it.
Oh, wow. మొత్తం మన ఇండియా కాకుండా అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది కంట్రీ కూడా అందరూ వాచ్ చేస్తున్నారా?
Yeah, we are already into Europe and UK. That whole place, they themselves have about 6-7 languages across there. So that is going, and Mandarin we have approached, and they are also very keen. So it's going there. So a lot of other languages it's being approached, and I think that's a very good relief for us, for at least having tried something.
Oh, okay. అంటే ఈ మూవీ దేని గురించి? అంటే స్టోరీ చాలా ఇమోషనల్ అంటున్నారు, అంటే ఇంకొంచెం సస్పెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు, మాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. బట్ అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ అబౌట్? అంటే ఇది
two words, it is adventure thriller.
Adventure, yeah. Treasure hunt kind of a movie, yeah?
Not treasure hunt, definitely not treasure hunt, but some action adventure thriller. Adventure because of the positioning, the jungle, the this and that. It's I would say that action because it falls under that genre. Okay, and I said thriller because the movie has thrilling moments. The movie has a thriller genre attached to it, like where you have a suspense element in the film. You have a curiosity around the film. Till the climax, you will not know who's who, what he is searching for. There is a lot of suspense moments in the film. That's why I said a thriller.
Okay. And ఈ డైరెక్టర్ తో మీ ఫస్ట్ మూవీ కదా, అంటే ఎలా జరిగింది ఇదంతా? how confident are you with him?
First of all, I think we need to be confident about ourselves. Confident that your decisions are right. It's not about that I will create magic in the society. No. These decisions, what we take, I think, is what matters. So I met him long back, and he was still doing short films then. I'm talking about many, many years back. And I know him because his father had directed a serial of mine. I was to serial earlier.
Okay.
So
అప్పటి నుంచి మీకు అసోసియేషన్ ఉందా తనతోటి?
First film, that's a different story. I'll come there.
Okay.
So I met him, and then after many years, in 2000 something, like recently, about 4-5 years back, he did a small film with his brother. It did very well. And then the second film was not great. Again, the same combination of his brother and him and all of them. It was not a great film, but I only saw the second film, the one which didn't run at all. So I have not seen his first film, which did extremely well.
Okay.
So the decision was because I found him sensible. Okay. I found him sensible, and I found his way of thinking nice. And when I saw the second film, I liked his work, though the film was bad, like it didn't do well and they considered it bad in the box office. But I liked it. I liked his way of thinking. I said, I had spoken about it. I said, let's make a film. No problem. Whatever it is, we'll make a film. See, just being associated with successful people and then trying to get successful is just a business mind. I feel I go with my instincts. If I like something, I will work, irrelevant to whether a business unda, బాక్స్ ఆఫీస్ హిట్స్ ఉందా లేదా, అది నేను
మీరు కన్సిడర్ చేయరు. మీ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్ ఏం చెప్తుందో దాని త్రూ వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటారు.
So I will go with that, and that's what has brought me so far also. So I guess I was thinking, and he's also what little I know of him, ఒక చాలా హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ బాయ్ అండ్ ఆనెస్టీ ఉంది. వర్క్ అప్రోచ్ లో, స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ లో ఒక ఆనెస్టీ ఉంది. So I like that part, and he is not somebody who will spoil the story for anyone.
Hmm.
So I like that part. It shouldn't be
మీరు
like Deep is doing, so he'll change a lot for me. Yeah, there has been a lot of changes we have done, which makes only the story a better one. It's nothing to improve the image or persona,
hmm.
right? So we have done, and yeah, we are happy so far. And so what best we thought we'll only produce, because this film needed more confidence, people who can believe this movie. So I brought my friend over here inside,
Hmm.
who's also my manager, and he's also produced a couple of films. He's also a very good distributor here. So he started doing this film, and our journey started like that.
ఓకే. మీరు మీరు యూఆర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఎ డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ ఎ ప్రొడ్యూసర్. సో మీరు మీ డైరెక్టర్‌కి అండ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్‌కి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ ఇస్తారు ఈ మూవీకి?
Producer, I will give him definitely 10 out of 10, man, because
10 out of 10.
yeah, because I'll tell you why. ఒక కోవిడ్ టైంలో ఎక్కడు ఫైనాన్స్ లేదు, ఫైనాన్సర్ లేదు, ఎవరు ఇనిషియేటివ్ దే డిడ్ంట్ టేక్.
హ్మ్.
సో ఎవరెవరు మ్యాచ్ ఇచ్చారు, కమిట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారో ఫైనాన్స్ కి, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ రివర్స్ గేర్.
అందరూ
So
బ్యాక్
I
స్టెప్
don't
తీసుకున్నారు.
I don't blame them. I understand that they have their fears.
హ్మ్.
Yeah, but that can't stop us from going ahead, right? So my, like the producer, how we arranged everything, one day shooting didn't stop, one day.
హ్మ్.
And with Anthem kind of a film, the sets, చాలా డబ్బు కావాలి,
అవును.
చాలా డబ్బు కావాలి, చాలా ఎఫర్ట్స్ కావాలి, చాలా టైం కావాలి. సో టైం అంతే మనీ ఇక్కడ
మనీ.
సినిమాలో. టైం అంతే మనీ. దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ మీన్స్ మనీ, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ మనీ, everything is money here. So without anything, one day shooting is not got stopped.
హ్మ్.
You won't believe, till date we have not pledged our film anywhere, neither have we taken finance.
హ్మ్.
So I will give 10 out of 10 for the effort, belief, because ఎవరైతే కూడా మ్యామ్ ఇన్ ద టైంలో ఒక టెంపర్ లూజ్
అవుతారు.
అవుతారు, ఒక ఇరిటేషన్ మూడ్లో,
డిసప్పాయింట్మెంట్, డిప్రెషన్.
డిప్రెషన్ లేదు, ఇది ఇరిటేషన్స్, small irritations will be there, which will lead to many things. You know what I'm talking. So I will give 10 out of 10, and my director, definitely I'll give him around 7 to 8 out of 10 so far, because he has done his best. But I guess he himself is a learner, and he knows that. He knows that he will do better. He will be one day much bigger than what he is today. As
Hmm.
of right now, and again, the whole team effort is beyond 10. The art direction, the staff, everybody in the COVID time, I think they all have done superb. And I think that's what makes our film special, because every morning lo, a full team, okay intention lo, they are waking up.
Hmm.
The intention to do this better. So whenever there is everybody is waking with the same intention, no, things can't go wrong.
Hmm.
Because I will say, ma'am, like if you take our India today, our country doesn't have anything which is not there. We have almost every resource, name it, and our country has.
Hmm.
But what stops it from moving fast and forward is we lack intention.
Hmm.
There's no intention here. The intention to take the country forward is not there.
Hmm.
That is the only thing we lack behind. Though rich, though everything is there. Take a small countries near to our countries, which
Hmm.
borrows milk, buys water, buys everything, and their currencies are almost like 40, 50 rupees in comparison to us. They have grown because they have intention to grow also. So I feel it is not about the budget, not about the story, not about the hero or the director. I think everybody has to have one intention when they wake up in the morning. That intention is going to make, definitely you may not make the biggest film in the world, but definitely you'll not make a bad film.
Hmm.
You know, that one thing I'm confident about, that, yeah, everybody is waking up with a good cause. So yeah, we are on track.
చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అంటే ఇండియా గురించి ఇంటెన్షన్ ఉండాలి అని. అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో మీకు ఏమైనా పొలిటీషియన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
I love my life a lot to be a politician now. All every name that I've earned, everything that I'm earning, I think I need a little time to spend with it and enjoy my life, God-gifted life, than get into something else and again mess it up. So I guess no. I think if at all the intention is to do a little good to people, I don't think I need power for that. Of course, I'm not able to change the world or the country or the city or the area or my road also. But yeah, I can do a little good in my own way too. What I can, I do run my charities. I have my charity. In this COVID time, is when I realized I have a beautiful terrace. I have a beautiful house. We have never been so close to what we have made, So I think after that also, if I have not learned, I would be stupid too. No, I'm not very ambitious. I like to be a cinema person.
Okay.
Yeah, and to do good, I don't think we need power.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఈ మూవీ ఫ్యాంటమ్ మూవీని మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎలా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారని అనుకుంటున్నారు?
I don't even think about it. I never thought about it. Because even when I was only doing my first film, second film, I never had fans, by the way. I was only looking forward for one houseful, one show, somewhere will come and watch. I've had flops. I started in a very bad way my career. So every morning I used to wake up and pray to God about one houseful. Just give me one houseful somewhere, man. Like even. So when your life has started, in a life lo, ఇప్పుడు వాడేం థింక్ చేస్తున్నారు, వీడేం థింక్ చేస్తున్నారు అని టైం వేస్ట్ నేను చేయను.
ఓకే.
స్టోరీ చెప్పాలి, చెప్తున్నాను.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు? ఇప్పుడు థియేటర్స్ అంత ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు, అంత ఓటీటీలో రిలీజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. మరి ఇప్పుడేం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? అంటే యూ కెనాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ వన్ హౌస్ ఫుల్ ఆర్ లైక్ దట్ కదా.
We don't need a house full, man. I'll tell you what. There is always a way. There will always be a way. Why should I be worrying about theaters to everything? I will only make sure that my film reaches to everybody. That is my own intention, right? So I don't think I'll break my head. Today's my main concentration is to finish the film, complete the film, make it the way we are supposed to do, and then we will find a way. This way or that way, we will find a way.
సో ఏది అంటే అది అంటే ఐ అగ్రీ విత్ యూ. ఎందుకంటే మీరు మూవీస్ చేసేదే పీపుల్ కి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి, లేకపోతే వాళ్ళు చూడటానికి. కానీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. అంటే మీకు థియేటర్ లో చూసిన ఆ కిక్ అనేది మనం ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చూస్తే అనిపిస్తుందని మీకు అనిపిస్తుందా?
See, theater lo oka kick. Definitely, theater is like a temple to every cinema maker. You can't even you can't compare. Tell me, if the temple is closed, do we stop praying? Do we stop praying? Yeah, you like to go to Tirupati. Who doesn't like to go to Tirupati? In this COVID time, did you stop praying to Lord Venkatramana?
No.
I don't think you.
No.
Similarly, how different is it? If theaters open, we are there. That is our temple. If it doesn't open, still our prayers will go. We will make sure our prayers reaches our gods, and we will.
Yeah, how do you look at your career? 25 years of career ni ఒక్కసారి వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూసుకుంటే మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది?
How do you say వెనక్కి?
అంటే వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూసుకుంటే how do you
go వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూసుకో అవసరం ఇది లేదు.
అవసరం లేదు.
Because it's all in front of me only. It's all, I have not forgotten anything for me to turn and look back. It's been beautiful and very blessed. I have started my career chinna film lo start ayindi, serial lo start ayindi, supporting artist laga start ayindi, tarvata vapas hero avachi ఒక కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ups and downs to everything. I think it's been wonderful. Somewhere I feel I have always felt a hand holding on to me always. Whether I went down, it was holding on to me. Whether I came up, it was holding on to me and pulling me back. That stay here. So I guess you probably all those few directors, a few actors, and few people in the industry who have been fortunate to spend so many years in the industry. I guess we have all been lucky, man. That we did what we wanted to do.
Mm.
We were doing what we love to do, and we are still doing what we were actually born to do.
Mm.
So I guess it's been a blessing. So otherwise, imagine in 1996, I was still a student when I started. So I would not imagine having started in a films in Karnataka somewhere, having traveled to Mumbai, having traveled to many such loving states, loving people, knowing my name today. So many people know me. Wherever I go, people recognize me from any part of India today. So it's definitely a blessing, and it's a wonderful gift
Mm.
that time has given me, and I cherish every minute of it.
అండ్ మీరు కన్నడలో సూపర్ స్టార్, కానీ తెలుగులో విలన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు చేశారు. హీరోగా ఎప్పుడు చేయబోతున్నారు తెలుగులో?
I don't believe in that policy of being only known as a hero, ma'am. See, because I am doing what I am doing here.
Mm.
And when I did Ega, I will not believe that it was a villain.
Mm-hmm.
So because it was the only character in the film, and so that was actually a very mono acting which I did there, and which I think Rajamouli sir had wonderfully crafted and believed in me.
Mm.
So I have never looked upon that film, and it is not a statement I'm saying to defend anything, because being a negative character is not at all bad.
Mm.
It is wonderful. Because when I'm doing see ఇక్కడ నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను అక్కడ వచ్చేసి అదే చేయనికి, or what do you say, how do you say to do,
చేయడానికి ట్రై చేశాను.
no, చేయడానికి if I am doing the same thing there, it's quite boring for me.
Oh, okay.
So I think we should try something different. We should as an actor, I like to challenge myself to do certain things. It's a good feeling.
Mm.
And I have never looked down upon other roles in the films.
Mm.
So for a hero to look good, there are a lot of things, man. Even a DOP has to be very good.
Mm.
Your dialogues, everything has to be crafted. Everything. So it's I think what makes the hero is the other things in the films. Somebody is becoming bad because just to make you look good. There is somebody else, many things are there. I will not say I enjoy all that here.
Mm.
But when I'm doing something somewhere else, I would like to look into certain, say, like if I get another film now, like a very dark film or something which can give me enough reason to do.
Mm.
I will do.
Mm.
See, same అక్కడ ఒక ఫిల్మ్ వస్తుంది, ఒక 2 songs or 3 songs అలా. See, now I'm not saying that is wrong, but maybe that will not interest me.
Mm.
Because if you look into your state now, there are a lot of wonderful actors who are very good dancers, very good fighters. There are a lot of good-looking people, talented people. Now you go to Tamil, there is the same thing. There are a lot of talented, a lot of good dancers, fighters. You go to any industry. Now, where do we fit in?
Mm.
So there should be something that, it fits us, suits us, and gives us enough reason for us to come, and enough reason for your audience to like us.
Mm.
You got my point. If I'm doing the same thing, then it doesn't matter. I don't want to compete there, or neither will I say I'm a competition also. I would like to do what interests me. Like if you talk about a Ega, now that's a film I'd like to do.
Mm.
That's a kind of film I like to do, and that's something like, see, for example, there's a lot of challenge because when lines are given to me, I practice them. Then there are a lot of improvisations. I do my own dubbing. I do my own lines. See, there is a lot of things I like to do, provided it is a challenge to me.
సో
So I like,
ఛాలెంజింగ్ రోల్స్ ఏమొచ్చినా కూడా ఎక్కడ ఏ ఇండస్ట్రీలో అయినా యూఆర్ ఓపెన్ టు డూ ఇట్.
in my perspective, challenging in my perspective, not that it is something very thing. See, for me, sometimes a very simple role is very challenging because we may not have done it, and how do we do it? I don't know. So I guess that's challenging for me because for me when I did Eager, I enjoyed every bit of it. For me, that was not a challenging film. That was a film I enjoyed. I enjoyed that film because, see, when people still ask me, how did you manage without the fly and everything? It was not difficult. Actually, I don't know why. For me, it was not difficult because I used to imagine somebody in front of me. I used to put a performance into that. And I used to react to my own performance of my thought. Challenging was for Rajamouli Garu because after the film was over, he had to make the fly act now. Suppose we are looking and I'm looking like that. So it had to do something that can get my reaction like this, no? So he really, I think, he has gone through a lot more challenges, in doing those things than we actors. So I guess that it was fun for me. I guess I will accept when something nice comes up. But luckily, a lot of things keep coming up. It's not that it has never come up. But I guess for me to do a full-fledged film there, which I would love to do, but I guess it will take some time for me to get the right thing then.
అంటే ఈగా తర్వాత మేము అనుకున్నాము కిచ్చా సుదీప్ మా ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలా మంచి మంచి క్యారెక్టర్స్, వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేస్తారు అని మేము ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసాము. కానీ ఎందుకు చేయలేదు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ అండి? అంటే మీకు నచ్చలేదా? వచ్చిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ నచ్చలేదా?
లేదు, అలా లేదు మ్యామ్. బికాస్ వన్ థింగ్ ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ షూర్. There's a very interesting discussion we had once after Eager. Ram Gopal Verma garu had called. We are very close, and he had called me. Yes, Sudeep, I just saw this film. It's a fabulous film, and blah blah. He went, and then he said, "But you know one thing, you will not get any film for 2 years in this industry." I said, "Oh, why do you say that, sir?" He said, "Because every director who sees this film will love you, and he will want to work with you, but they will not know what to do with you." He says, in this film, they don't know whether you are a hero, whether you are a villain. And after Eager, people, what they want to see with you, and how do you write that script? He says, people will be, everybody, including me, I would like to work with you, but I don't know what to do with you. So that means our collaboration has ended today because I don't know what to do with you. It's a very sweet thing to say, but then he made sense. It made sense. See, after
అరే ఆయన చెప్పింది నిజమైంది కదా మీ పాయింట్ లో.
People didn't know what to do with me. Like there were people who came and said we want to do films. Then there was a discussion. How do we present him? Like, do we present him like a regular hero, songs and adu chase? Kani adu lede ikkada. People are liking him for something else. Now, if you want to write a script like that, it has to be better than Eager. That's a challenge for a director. Now, there also people were wondering, what do you do better than Eager? Like, how do you write? What do you write? In this, easily 2 years went away. Though I was very known and everything, easily it went away. And I guess that's how it is. It is supposed to be, and probably I'm okay with it. But I'm happy that, see, even one film like Eager, across 8 years now, people are still easily recognizing, coming and speaking. So much of respect I get every time I'm working in Hyderabad. I should tell you that I respect the technicians and every actor to director. Whenever they're seeing me on the sets or somewhere, they shows. It's a chala great feeling. It's not about how big you have become. It is the big impact you have made. People show you respect when they believe that you are a somebody, man. No, it's not that you are just a name. I have not come across as a name there, and that's enough for me. So when things come, we will work. Otherwise, I'm okay.
And tell me about your personal life, sir. మీ పాప ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు, ఏం చదువుతుంది?
She is doing her 11th now, and she's doing her fine art. She's into singing. She wants to be a singer. She does a lot of art. So she's into all those things, and yeah, we are encouraging there.
యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటుందా లేకపోతే లేదా? నో ఛాన్సెస్.
Wants to be a singer. Music.
ఓకే. అంటే మీ నుంచి వచ్చిందా తనకి కూడా ఆ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్? బికాస్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఏ సింగర్ కదా.
I have not left anything. I always like to try everything. So I like to do a lot of things. I do better than all this. I do a lot of cooking. I do a lot of baking.
Oh.
Yeah, I have my own kitchens everywhere I go. So I cook a lot, bake a lot, and I like to make it professional, as in like professional presentations.
Okay.
So literally that is there with me, that all that instinct. So that's how it goes. My wife used to work in Citibank, and she used to work in Jet Airways earlier, and then she was in Citibank. And yeah, now she takes care of all the production houses and stuff like that. Yeah, with one daughter along, I think we have a lot of work at home. So time is, a lot of time goes into looking after the daughter. So.
ఓకే. అండర్ 17 కి మీరు క్రికెట్ కి రిప్రజెంట్ చేశారు కదా స్టేట్ కి?
Under 19 years.
అండర్ 19. ఓకే. దాని తర్వాతే కదా ఈ సెలబ్రిటీ క్రికెట్ లీగ్ లో మీరు కర్ణాటక బుల్డోజర్స్ కి కెప్టెన్ అవ్వడం, అదంతా ఐ మీన్ అలా ఉండింది.
That you would have seen a lot now.
Yes.
Me angry on the ground and all that fuming moments. Yeah, I'm sure you would have seen all that. Yeah.
సో అంటే ఆ క్రికెట్ ఆ అండర్ 19 క్రికెట్ దాన్ని వదిలేసి మూవీస్ లోకి ఎలా వచ్చారు మీరు?
I guess we are all destined. Like for example, we paid huge amount of money for education, and we go there. But what we paid for never taught us anything, and whatever taught us, we never paid for. So I guess a qualification is something, professionalism becomes something. So just similarly, interests are something else. I guess life chooses your own destinies. It will choose you where you're supposed to go. Luckily for me, at least I didn't end up doing something I don't like. Like a lot of people are there who like to do something, but then they go somewhere else and they do. Yeah, life will make you do all that. But I guess I'm lucky that I'm still doing something that I like. But only difference ఏమంటే ఇక్కడ నేను డైరెక్టర్ అవడానికి వచ్చాను, యాక్టర్ లేదు.
కాదు.
ఇది యాక్టర్ వచ్చేసి ఒక యాక్సిడెంటల్ థింగ్, నాట్ కేమ్ హియర్ ఫర్.
సో ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్డ్ గా డైరెక్టర్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతున్నారు మరి?
I'm already directing.
ఆల్రెడీ 7 మూవీస్ మీరు చేశారు. అలా కాదు, మీరు ఇంకా అంటే బెటర్ గా లేకపోతే ఇంకా అలా ఏమన్నా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా?
I have right now also. My writing is happening in Hyderabad. A lot of people are sitting for I am planning the next film to be directed by me.
Okay.
So we are writing something, and see, direction for me is not a decision, man. It is a happiness.
Oh.
For me, I should feel something. But this story, I should say. Otherwise, see, till there was a time when I was looking forward to work, looking forward to directors coming to my house and narrating and all that. That is when I took a decision to direct. Now I will direct my own. I'm not going to sit around waiting for others to come and do something. I have to. It's my life. I need to wake it up. But later, when a stage comes that you are popular, I'll tell you, Kranti, I believe in one thing. An actor doesn't die by giving flops. All right? He doesn't die by giving flops. An actor dies when there's nobody out there writing a story for you. That's a very scary moment. Now then you become an option. That hero should reject, and something will come to you. So you're not a priority, whether you do a film or not. But every writer out there, when he's sitting out there and writing, let's write them, and that is when you're still alive. And today, why I'm saying that is today, I see so many people writing for me. So my direction for me is today something I don't even think about much, because I want to cater myself to those interests. Those people are looking up and wanting to do films with me, wanting to who's writing for me, wanting to narrate to me. I want to be there, hear them out, do it if possible. So I think when you have fantastic people writing for you, wanting to work with you, I think it's high time you go there and be. See, there are every director is like a good painter, you know, and I don't know, by being an actor in their film, I think you are one of the color in that beautiful painting. Do you agree? So I want to be that. So today I'm trying to cater myself. So direction for me is more a happiness, man. The day it's required, I will do it again.
Okay, there is a small rapid fire for you, sir.
Okay.
Is it okay with you? Okay. మీరు హీరోగా నటించిన సినిమాల్లో టాప్ 5 మూవీస్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
I will say I will go according to the ratio of how it positioned me. I will not go by the scale of story or box office collections. Okay, I will go by the position. So
Okay.
I think I will go with first is Hucha.
Okay.
First is Hucha. Then I will go with a film called Autograph, which also launched me as a director. Then I will go with Ega. And I think before Ega, I will place Run.
Run.
Run
Run.
with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Yeah.
Amitabh
Why? I'll explain that later. So after Ega, I think I will do a film. I will position my film Pahalwan. That also I'll give you that I should tell you.
Yes,
I
because
positioned,
ఎంత
I positioned Run
కష్టపడ్డారో
in the first place. Yeah.
ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారో ఆ లుక్ కోసం మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అదొక వన్ పిక్చర్ ఐ కెన్ సీ దట్. అసలు మీరు
Yes, ma'am.
ఎంత చేశారనేది ఒక వన్ పిక్చర్ సేస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దాంట్లో అయితే.
Why Hucha? I'll tell you. Hucha because it gave me a place. Finally, it made me go where I'm supposed to. The first big hit of my life. All right. Autograph as a technician, it launched me. Run, I said, because the dream of working with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, as well as without Run, I wouldn't have got Ega. Rajmouli sir saw Ega, a Run, and then he took me for. So it is a change. Yeah. And last Pahalwan, because it changed my lifestyle only. I was a very easy guy. Aram Singh used to wake up. I used to play a lot of shuttle cricket, but never gym, never into this fitness and other things. Pahalwan brought a lot of discipline into my life, lifestyle, habits. I guess it all happened in the right time when I needed it the most. So I guess these 5 films are placed.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు డైరెక్ట్ చేసిన మూవీస్ లో మీరు మెచ్చే బెస్ట్ 3.
Best 3. Autograph is always close to me because it's my first. And I think a chala emotional film for the very first time. And I think if you've seen, it's not easy. Remaking a film is not easy. People think it's easy because it's already there. So there will be comparison and emotion. You have to touch it again. It's not that they kept a wide angle, you keep a wide angle. So I think it's something from my very first experience, Autograph. And I think second, I will definitely name Just Maat Mataleno film chesam. It will be very close to me because it's a very neat film, very clean film. That one thing. And I think the last film which I did is the Kempe Gowda film, that is Singham, which I did. Because it was that is commercial film, that kind of commercial film I had never done. But I did it at a pace 1:10 times the original.
Oh.
Pace I took that film, and I think that was a huge challenge for me because no budget. Yeah, the dream is big. The dream is big. Minimal money, but we want to do it. How do we do it? I don't know. So every morning we are carrying the camera. Every morning we all newcomers, waking up everybody. Chalo chalo. One car we are putting in, going. And I think these three will always be very challenging and close, man.
ఓకే సార్. సిల్వర్ స్క్రీన్ మీద మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ జోడీగా భావించిన హీరోయిన్, మీన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ హీరోయిన్ ఫర్ యూ? ఆకాంక్ష సింగ్, అమలా పాల్, నిత్య మీనన్, రాగిణి ద్వివేది.
I'll be, if you can ask me if I was good to them, then it will be a nice, because I think it will be very bad injustice on all four of them.
మరి సార్ మోడెస్టీ ఎక్కువైపోతుంది సార్.
Modesty, lady. See, because I'll tell you why. My answers, if it is revolving around my life, is fine. Because these four actors have been very kind to me. Very nice to me. In fact, they made me look good on screen with their presence. So I guess all of them have been such wonderful co-stars to me. Taking any one name, it's not that I'm worried. It's not that I'm worried. It is if I'm in their place, I will not like it. If a heroine is asked, you worked with four heroes, who would you like the best? And if she took somebody else, we will be wondering, no, what happened? Like, you are fine. It's in their, it may not look good. They have been nice to me, and I guess all four of them. Akanksha has been a wonderful coach. I think without knowing the language, I think she did fantastic in Palwan with what little. Nitya, I think the whole industry knows what a performer she is, and she can make any hero run for us. If you do not have it, what it takes to stand in, she'll eat the same. You know what? She'll just take it away. Correct. And Amala Paul, I think, is a very jovial person. Work with, very, very easygoing, and a very friendly person. So it's more than a personal relationship. What you share with them will stop you from reacting to the rest of it. And Rajini, I think, is a person I introduced with Madhukari. So it will be very unfair of me to say anything on that.
ఓకే. మిమ్మల్ని వెండి తెర మీద కరెక్ట్ గా ప్రెజెంట్ చేసిన డైరెక్టర్ ఎస్ కృష్ణ, కెఎస్ రవికుమార్, నందకిషోర్, సుదీప్. ఎందుకండి? ఎందుకు చెప్పండి?
కరెక్ట్ ఆగే ప్రెజెంట్ చేశారు కదా.
కరెక్ట్ గా ప్రెజెంట్ చేసిన డైరెక్టర్ ఎవరు?
Yeah, I think I'm not going to put down all of them, but I guess in my lowest of the phase, when all my films were going flops, and I didn't know what to do. That time, Krishna was also not in my life. Yes, Ravi Kumar was not in my life. And Nanda Kishore was still not even a director. He was still an actor. That is the time I lifted the camera to present myself and to lift myself. I'm giving a justification here. That doesn't make me better than them, man. Like Nanda Kishore, he's a director. He's a co-director of mine. He started with this. He became a director because I pushed him to be a director. Krishna is a very dear friend of mine. He was a DOP in my. We had took him in when he was still young and thing. And he's a very energetic guy. K.S. Ravi Kumar sir is a big man for me to talk about. He's a man who's directed the biggest of the people. But your question was not that. Your question is who's presented me well.
Correct.
And I think if I had not presented myself well and lifted myself again and again and again, like a K.S. Ravi Kumar sir, Nanda and Krishna came into my life after 2013. Okay, I started in 2005 as a director, and I did about 6 films before these people came into my life. So I have lifted every now and then, and I think if I had not done that, I wouldn't even have survived so far.
Okay, justified, sir, with your answer. And
yes, I mean, if it was a question of that sort, I'll answer, because what you said, I had to. Otherwise, mine is to be honest, to be modest. Here, I would have taken somebody else's name.
yes,
It is true. It is true that I have lifted myself when I really needed the most. Otherwise, I think my career would have been over long back.
ఓకే. మీరు బాగా ఇష్టపడే చిత్రసీమ ఏది? ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎంత మోడెస్టీగా ఉంటారు, ఎలా ఉంటారు అనేది we wanted to listen, sir. I mean, your favorite industry.
Industry.
Tollywood, Bollywood, Collywood.
Man, come again.
Sandalwood, Tollywood, Bollywood, Collywood.
Sandalwood, man. This is what made me. My industry is what made me. I can never forget my mother. I will never forget my mother, which gave birth to me. I may have traveled a lot of places. I've met a lot of people. Like, every industry has given me a lot of love, but that birth was given by my mother.
Mm.
So that will always be there wherever I go, and I don't think it is even wrong for a son to love his mother.
ఓ ఓకే సార్. కన్నడలో మీ అభిమాన నటుడు ఎవరు? కన్నడలో రాజ్ కుమార్ గారు, విష్ణువర్ధన్ గారు, శంకర్ నాగ్ గారు, అంబరీష్ గారు.
Vishnuvardhan sir. He is my idol. Vishnuvardhan sir.
విష్ణువర్ధన్
He
గారు.
is, he's my idol, and I've always worshipped him. And till the last breath, ever a great fan of Vishnuvardhan till the last breath.
Mm.
Of course, we respect every industry lover. We love everybody. Shankar Nag sir, or Rajkumar sir, Amrish sir, and all. There's nobody who doesn't love them.
Mm.
But name one, I will take Vishnu sir, a fan forever.
ఓకే. తెలుగులో మీరు మెచ్చిన హీరో ఎవరు? తెలుగులో ప్రభాస్, మహేష్, జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ అండ్ చిరంజీవి గారు.
I think I will go with Junior.
Okay.
Because he's a very dear friend of mine, and also that does it with due respect to others. Definitely, I worked with Chiranjeevi Garu sir also, and I know very little of Prabhas, and I of course I've said hi and bye to Mahesh also. But I guess this guy, the Junior, whenever I come across, I find him very energetic.
Mm.
Always hungry, always thirsty, always wanting to do more. He wants to do, and that craving to do better. I've seen him from the time he started, and he go a long way back from where I know him. See, we may not meet up in regular basis. We may not say hi and bye on regular basis, but I don't think that can stop me from liking him for what he is, and admiring him for what he is.
Mm.
I think he has a lot of energy, a lot of positivity that boy carries. Whenever you meet him, he's got a lot of things.
Mm.
Like, I guess, he's somebody who can actually be, like, what is it, very destructive if you're not careful in the same scene. He'll come, he'll and he'll go off, and so you have to be very cautious with him. That makes somebody else also perform better.
Mm.
So I really admire that man.
Okay.
And he's come a long way. I mean, trust me, I think with where he started, nobody ever probably thought that he will be what he is today. So I guess, yeah.
RRR teaser చూసారా జూనియర్ ది?
Yeah, I saw.
చూసారా?
He looks so different now. How he used to be a chubby guy, and today he's really worked very hard, and I think that's what I was talking about. Even Ram Charan, I think one of the sweetest boys I've met there. Very genuine guy, and whenever I meet him, I don't even see that he's a star material and all that. He just walks up to you and speaks like a very normal person. For what he can be and somebody else, but I think I've been very honored to have known such wonderful people, and the way they come up and talk to me also. I think it's a wonderful relationship we share, all of us. It's a great feeling, man.
Okay. ఏ తరహా పాత్ర చేయడానికి మీరు ఇష్టపడతారు? Which kind of a character? Hero, villain, character artist, and comedian?
I think it's what you make that becomes a character. The character cannot make you. If that is the case, I wouldn't have done a Saira, I wouldn't have done so many things. I think you make a difference. Script will be just in a paper, ma'am. I think it's a right. That's why they say casting. You do the right casting. That's what they say, no? So I guess it's you who make the character. Character cannot make you. I think it's everybody's perspective. Every actor has a different way of presenting the same thing. Like a comedy role given to a bad person with a no comedy, what will he do? I think if you are a good actor and if you're a good performer, you just need to have a good timing for villainism, good timing for hero, comedy, and everything. I think it's a character, it's a actor who makes a role, not the roles.
Thank you so much, Sudeep garu. And మీరు తెలుగులో కూడా ఇంకా మంచి మూవీస్ చేయాలని మేమందరం కోరుకుంటున్నాము. Thank you so much. It's very honor to me to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Next time I will improvise my Telugu a little more. So I would like to try and talk more in Telugu, and thank you for this wonderful time.
Thank you so much.